Hello, Joester. A bit chilly this morning, isn't it? It's a bit chilly. You want some of this? Some Silverbeet. Yum yum. 1.2 degrees this morning. That's Celsius, not Frankenstein. So she's a bit chilly. It's the coldest day we've had so far this year. You gonna let me enjoy? Come on, walk over to my hand. Walk on my hand. Atta boy. Cold, isn't it? You guys don't seem to mind, do you? Unlike me. Doves don't like missing out. They try and do what the teals do. They're not anatomically made for a lot of the time. Teals come and land on the mesh and want to talk through the mesh to us. And the doves try and do it as well, bless them. But they of course can't hang on the mesh. But they try. It's a pretty boy. You're a pretty boy. Put the green bit. Good for you. That's a blood blister on my finger. Hit my finger with a hammer the other day. Pinched the skin. What are you doing? It looks like this week's video is going to be Joey eating Silverbeet. And fighting off other cockatiels. Oh. Before being scared off by a dove. You're not going to like Silverbeet. You haven't really got the right beak for it, have you? I need to chop it up for you. Hello, Joester. Teals in the background waiting their turn. Waiting for the big nasty dove to get out of the way. The camera's shaking slightly, it's because I'm freezing. A couple of Turks over there waiting for their turn as well. The camera's not focusing all that good in the cold weather. Those birds in the background are miners, Indian miners. Yum yum. I have 3 teals on me at the moment, one on each shoulder and one on my head. The Turks are getting closer. And Sylvester next door wants a piece of the action. Who was that that just talked in my... Who? Hello, Fry. You learned how to talk. You're a clever boy. Yeah, I haven't heard you talk before. What are you trying to say? Cut video, you're in the wrong shoulder. You a pretty boy? That's a pretty boy. That's a pretty boy. Sorry, but the dove's stolen the show, guys. Now Fry's standing on my hand and looking me in the face, trying to... You're gonna bite my nose? Right. Oh, there we go, guys. Quick, who's next? Come, turkeys, quick! Before the teals come. It's only Leela that's not interested. Leela looks like how I feel. Freezing bloody cold. Oh, turks are in. Make it quick, Twisty. I'm gonna get knocked off by a teal. That's Poopy now. Having a feed? Poopy, don't be mean. What did I just say? What did I just say? If you get too close to those two, Charlie, you know what happened before. I'm going to have to go get some more silverbeet, I think, for the other birds. Careful, Charlie. Wait. Alright guys, I'm getting really cold. I'm going to have to put this down, I think. You can all scrap over it. Maybe I'll go get some more so that the turkeys get a chance. Noticed a quail has managed to get himself up in the brick on the corner there. Set videoing through 3 layers of mesh, 4 layers of mesh. No, 3. No good. Charlie, your bum's on the camera, mate. You're blocking the view somewhat. As you can see, Charlie is sitting right over the lens of the camera, hanging onto the screen in my finger. Look at itchy nose, Charlie. Charlie, everybody doesn't want to see your tail. Look, Fry's all out of focus because now Fry's trying to land on Charlie. Okay, let's put this down, eh? Let somebody else have a turn. See if the turkeys will come. Yeah. There's a character there. You gonna come down, Leos? Now it's cold. This is fresh silverbeet. Come on, Twisty. Talking away a lot over there. They make sweet little noises, the turks. Come on, come and have some silverbeet. Who are you talking to? Is there somebody in the nest boxes over there? I think there might be. He's trying to get someone's attention. Don't go laying eggs now, mate. It's too cold. I know you're not going to lay them, but... Ooh, it's cold. Like a fog breath. What is that little turkey doing? I wonder if someone's in there. I'm going to have to go have a wee nosy. What are you doing, Twists? Where are all the other turkeys? Two of them here. Oh, another one through there. There's the sparrows. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's number 5. Oh, number 5 is over there. Along with another turkey. What are you doing, Twisty? You got a girl in a nest? There's nobody in those. Don't think there's anybody in there or there. I'll check that later. Cold swins. Right, it's a bit chilly. I'm gonna go do some work. So, thanks for watching, guys. It's all sort of a Silverbeety sort of episode this week. Cold and Silverbeety. See you next time. Don't forget to watch some of these other videos. 3-hour Cockatiel Companion is now up as well. If you haven't seen that, check that out. If you've got cockatiels that need friends to listen to while you're at work, it's a great video for that. Okay, I'll see you on the next one. Preening time.